study Excel, Microsoft Excel, you see, this is a spreadsheet program, as you know. It is used for calculation. This presentation will show you the Excel, what is the Excel and how it is used. The topics are given here. First one is overview of spreadsheet, then user interface. In this presentation you will know this topic. Then you will know creating a new workbook, how to create a new workbook, navigating and editing worksheet, how to move inside the worksheet, and then working with sheets. And last we will go to the file tab. First topic is moving overview of spreadsheet. Can you see this one clearly?
Yes.
Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. It is used generally for calculation. It is computer spreadsheet application, complete. It comes with Microsoft Office. If you buy MS Office package, you will get Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, all the software you will get in the same package. OpenOffice.org. This is also a spreadsheet program. It comes with Linux. It is free of cost. You can, when you install Linux operating system, you will get OpenOffice.org. Online spreadsheets are also there, which is provided by some websites like Google Docs, EditGrid, SocialCal. These are online spreadsheet softwares. We will learn to use Microsoft Excel. Our aim is to learn MS Excel. Feature. What are the features of Excel? You can see, first one is data can be manipulated using dozen of functions. Means Excel provide you many functions. For example, sum, max, min. So you can work on data. Different type of data you can work. Rows and column can be inserted. Rows and column can be inserted. There are some grids, some column and rows inside the Excel sheet you can insert. Okay? You can insert as well as you can delete as per your requirement. Feature like font color and all. As you can do in MS Word, you can do some style, some font, some color. Okay, you can do same thing in Excel also. You can change the color. Once the input data into a spreadsheet program can translate into graph or chart. Whatever data you have inserted in Excel, you can make chart or you can make graph with that data. So it is very easy for you to explain your idea to others in the form of chart and graph. Any modification done on every single entry automatically update the data. Since in Excel you can give the formula so that if you do some updation, if you enter any data, automatically it will be changed by the Excel. Using a spreadsheet program provides you highly cost effective, means you no need to do large calculation and sit with the paper and pen. It will do your work very easily. These are the features of Excel I am explaining for you. When we can choose from variety of ready to use template. There are ready-made templates are there. You can use any template for your reference. Biggest benefit of using Excel is ability to provide users with the what if analysis. What if analysis means if you want to think about a condition, that if you have 200 real, what will be after 10 years at the rate of 10%. So Excel can provide very easily, Excel will provide you very easy calculation. You can calculate that 200 real is now you have. If you invest in a business, after 10 years at the rate of 10%, what will be? So you can get the calculation very easily. We can store data. We can protect our worksheet. Several users can work together. If there is a large work, means you can see, take example, university students, data entry of university student. Their name, address, city, phone number, marks and all. These all you need to enter into the computer. So this can be distributed to many persons. Same sheet can be distributed to many users. They can enter same time, so that one data, one work can be distributed to many persons via this Excel, and the work will be easy. This is your Excel screen. Look here. These are called tabs. I will show you the Excel screen after this one presentation. These are called tabs. This is name box. Can you see here? This small one is the name box. This is ribbon full. This is ribbon. You can see here ribbon. After that, these are called groups. Tab group. Formula bar. This one is formula bar. Below the ribbon, this is formula bar. Work area. This portion is called work area. Here you can work. Here you can enter your data. This is vertical scroll bar. Just you can move. Here is control. View controls. You can see the Excel sheet in different views. Zoom slider. Here you can click and move. So Excel sheet, whatever you entered, what data you have entered, it will be big or small if you just move this one. And next, these are called the worksheet. You can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. By default, when you open Excel software, when you open Excel, by default you will get 3 sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You can rename this one. You can add more sheets. You can delete some sheets. Okay. So this full is a worksheet. And when you save this file, that file is called a workbook. And the software, this software is called spreadsheet software. Next, this one can you see? This one is title bar. This top one, this title bar. And this is quick access toolbar. Can you see this one? This portion is quick access toolbar. This is title bar. If you save this file, the name of the file will appear here. Right now the name is book 1. If you save the file, name of the file will appear, and you can see the title bar is this one. Horizontal title bar, window display, program, document titles. What I explained, same thing is written here. Worksheet, as I explained you, every Excel, when you open Excel program, you will see by default 3 sheets are there. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. There you can enter data. Each worksheet contains column and rows. And when you save that file, that is called the workbook. Cells. Cells means this type you can see column, and this type rows. Intersection of column and row is called a cell, particular cell. For example, you can see here, this is column, these are column. Can you see? These are column, and this side you can see rows. So this one part here, this is called the cell. This is 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, like this. Grid line. In Excel you can see some lines are there, like this line, column and rows. This is not highlighted. That is called grid line. You can show and hide using view. Active cell. Active cell means the cell which is on which the pointer is right now. That is the active cell. Where you are working, that is called the active cell. Quick access toolbar, as I explained you, it contains general or frequently used command. Save, open, print, preview and all. Formula bar, you can type formula for calculation. Ribbon. It contains so many tabs and each tab contains groups. Contextual tab. If you insert a picture in Excel, if you insert a picture and double click on the picture, so you will see two more tabs will appear. That is design and format. So that tab, the tab which appear on clicking of any picture or during the editing, that is called contextual tab. It is by default it is hidden. When you work, when you start working, then it comes. Something is written here. Mini toolbar. If you want to do some simple modification like font change, font color, font style, and font type, size. So this toolbar comes. This is the mini toolbar, general use. Super tool tip. If you want to know about any command, about any BIU, if you don't know what is used, so you move your mouse arrow, computer will tell you the information about that tool, what is use of that tool. Copy and moving a worksheet. When you open Excel, you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 is there. You can copy. Sheet 1 you can copy. Make a copy of sheet 1. You can make many copies. It's up to you. You can move. You can click and drag. Put it here. You can move anywhere. Sheet 1 or sheet 2 or sheet 3, anywhere. You can put it. Insert and delete. As I told you, you can add more sheets or you can remove sheets as per your requirement. Excel help option means if you want to know any command in Excel, if you are confusing, you don't know what is used, how to use, press F1 key in Excel and write the name of your command. Write the question. So Excel will give you help. Moving worksheet. Moving worksheet as to click and drag. You can move. Selecting cell or range of cell. I will show you on the Excel screen after this presentation. Selecting cell or cell range. You can click on one cell, then that is selected. If you want to select more, you can shift and arrow key. Shift and right arrow, shift down arrow or any, so that you can select. Selecting entire worksheet. If you want to select whole Excel sheet, first sheet, so you can press Ctrl A, everything will be selected. The file tab here, it is same as your Word. Can you see this one? This is file tab. It contains save, save as, copy, paste and general command. So this is also called backstage view. As I explained you, file tab contains save. It is used to save a file. Save as, to save the file with different name or with different type. Close means you can close the file, but Excel will be open. Open, you can open any file. Print. Print command on file tab is used to print the Excel sheet. Highlights of the day means in this presentation what topic we have covered, what topic you learned. Overview of spreadsheet means what is Excel. Popular spreadsheets like Google Docs, MS Excel, OpenOffice, Org. Feature of Excel, what are the facilities, what are the feature of Excel. Then how Excel look, what are the parts of Excel screen. After that, navigating how to change a worksheet. Then working with worksheet, how to work with 1 or 2 or 3 or more than 3 worksheets. Then about the file tab. This is the topic you have studied now. Now I will ask you some questions related to Excel. Okay, so you will answer that one. To start Excel, like this it is started. Can you see? To start Excel, go to the start button. then go to all program, Microsoft Office, and here you will see Microsoft Excel 2010. If you click on this, Excel will open. Now I have already explained some topic. You need to answer a question about the Excel. Can you see this one? What is this top one? Which bar it is? Top one? Title bar. Good. This is quick access toolbar. This full ribbon. Good. You can speak loudly, no problem. And file, home, these are tabs. By default, how many tabs are there? Count and tell me.
8.
8 tabs are there. Okay. In home tab, how many groups are there?
7.
Count and tell how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. Tell me how many groups are there in insert tab?
8.
8. See, table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. So groups, tab, ribbon, quick access toolbar, title bar is clear. Now come down. What is this? Can you see this one? This is called name box. Name box. This is formula bar. It is used to write a formula. This. Okay. This is called A, B, this one. These are called column. This side, column. This column. And this side it is rows. And this is cell. Can you see? This is cell. This is active cell. Okay. And when you want to select more than one cell, this is called like this. You can click and drag. I will show you. Like this. Like this. This is called range of a cell. From here to here we have selected. Okay. Okay. A, B, C, D, these are the column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the rows. Sheet 1, 2, 3, these are sheets.
Sheet.
Sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 1, like this. Okay. So this is about your Excel screen. After some time you will work. I will show you about the home tab and file tab. You will learn about file tab, what is the use of file tab, what is the use of home tab. So now there will be break for 10 minutes. After the break, when you come, you will study. This topic we already covered in previous class. What are the topics we covered? About the basic of Excel, about its feature, about the window of the Excel, about the look, how it looks, and what are the components of the Excel. Now we are going to study file tab. In this class you will study file tab and home tab. This is file tab, this is home tab. About that you will study in this class. In file tab, create a new workbook, save workbook, open and close workbook, and you will learn save and send workbook. In the file tab you will study this. Home tab you will study about these groups today. About the font group means about the font, about clipboard, about alignment, and cells group, and using formula, and you will learn to use some formula. Okay. Can you see this screen? In the file, when you click on file, one menu is drop down menu is open. In this you see save, save as, open, close, recent, and these options are there. It is same as Microsoft Word. In Word you can save any file, you can close any file, you can open any file. You already studied that. Same thing is here. Click on file, click on save. This file is already saved with the name Excel Student Practice. So it does not affect anything. If you do some change, that will be saved. But if you want to save this file with another name or with different type, you can click on file, save as. When you click on file and save as, one dialog box will open like this. Here you choose your location where you want to save. I want to save it on desktop. Click on desktop. Here you can give the file name. Give any other name. I will give Excel Student Practice number, just say 4. This is the file name. Save as type. The file is right now saved as Excel workbook. If you want to save it as different, just say web page. Click here. You will see in this window there is option web page. I want to save it as web page. Click on save. Excel Student Practice may contain feature not compatible with web page. This is the warning message coming. It tells you there are some features which will not supported by Internet Explorer or such browser. So do you want to save it? Yes, I want to save it. Now you can see, if you minimize, you can see that file is saved here. Excel Student 4. If you open this file, it will open in browser. You see, it is opening in Microsoft Excel, Internet Explorer. You can see this here. It will come. It will take some time because it is searching the file from the folder and then it will display. See, you can open same thing in Excel, same thing in Internet Explorer because it is saved in the form of web page. This one. I will close this one. See, now again I will open previous file. It is student. This one. See. So that is about the file, save and save as. You can double click on the file and you can open, or if you want to open from here, you can go file and open, choose your file, what you want to open and click open, it will open. Then go to next step is close. If you click on file and close, you see, do you want to some save changes? Save. File and close. Don't save. You see in this case, your file is closed, but Excel is open. This is the use of close option. When you click on file and close, the Excel is open, but the file which is open right now will be closed. And when you click on file and exit, full Excel will close. You can see file and exit. And close it from the keyboard, this one. File and exit.
File.
Or you can close it directly from here, like this. Student, this one. This. Go to here again. File, print. If you click on file, print, it will show you the print preview. It will give you the option to print that file on the paper by using a printer. If printer is attached from your computer, you can print it. You see, it is showing the print preview here. Save and send. If you want to save and send your file to somebody via internet. You see, save to web. You can save to website, save file type, create PDF document. This feature provides the facility to save your file in the form of PDF. If you click on this one, create PDF. I will save it on desktop with name student practice and publish. You can see now I will minimize this one. See, same file is saved in the form of PDF. Can you see? So any Excel file, any Excel workbook you can convert in PDF very easily using Microsoft Excel 2010. Next step is file options. When you click on options, you will see so many steps are there. This is used for setting. It is similar to your Word. If you click on general, you see color scheme. You can change the color of the screen, whatever is displayed. You can change from here. Screen tip style. What is the font size? What is the view? Include this many sheets. By default, 3 sheets are displayed. You can change it. Formula. You can do the setting related to formula. You will do it later. Proofing. It will give you the option for autocorrect and ignore some address. Ignore words in uppercase. Means if you did some mistake, typing mistake, word mistake. So if it is in capital letter, computer will ignore. Save. You see here, if you save any file right now, it is going inside C drive, user, student and documents. It is going in the documents folder. If you want to change it, delete, select, delete and write your path. So if you save that file, it will go into that location by default. Next one is language. Right now English language is installed and it is default language for this Excel. You can add more languages. If you want to add additional languages, you can choose here. Choose the language what you want to add and you can add it. Then advanced. This advanced feature provide you facility to do the setting in Excel window as per your requirement. You can see after pressing enter, move the selection direction down. When you press enter, your cursor, your cell pointer will come down. You can change it from here. It should go right, it should go up, or it should go left. But by default, generally we use it for the down. You can do the setting from here. Next, you can see show paste option. And there are so many settings are there. You go through your Excel screen and do the setting as per your requirement. Customize ribbon. This ribbon, there are so many tabs. If you want to hide some tabs, you can remove. As I told, today you are going to study file and home tab. So no need about page layout. How to hide the tabs. Click on this. See, I am going to hide these tabs. This one. And yes, add-ins. And this one. Okay. You see, file, home, insert, and this is there. Insert is already selected. If you want, you can hide this also. You can hide the tab, you can add the tab, you can show the tabs. So that is all about the file tab. You can do the setting, you can save as, this is all about the file tab. Now, you will study about home tab. This is a sample data here. This is sample data, sample file. I will share this file with you. you can work on this file. Okay, what to do? First of all, I will explain you about the font group. You can see here font group. To study about home tab. Home tab. In this home tab, you see, this is font group, clipboard, alignment, number, and so on. How many groups are there?
17.
How many groups are there?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups are there. First group is, I will choose font group. You see, this is raw data. Raw data means here you will do work. This is your target. It should be like this. Click on this one. Go to bold. Okay. Then it is, you see, it is italic. You can click on this bold and italic. And then you can click on underline. Bold, italic, underline. You can see in this one, the font is Arial black and the size is 16. Same thing you can apply here. Arial black. If you click on this one, you can choose the font type and its size can be 16 from here. You can move, put it this. Is it same?
Yes.
Can you see? But in this one, you see, this is big and this one is small. If you double click here with a cursor, if you double click so that it will be adjusted, I will show you like this. If you double click here, it will adjust with the column. So this is Tripathi deanship. Here you see background is different color, font color is different. How to do that? Click here. Apply text color, fill color and various borders. Example, text font color. Font color means this color is purple. Fill color is dark blue, text to lighter 80%. This is the work you need to do here. Click here. How to do this all? Go to change the font color from here. Choose here purple. Font color is changed. Then background color. You want to change the background color from here. Click on this one. See, various colors will come. You can choose a color which you like.
Light blue.
Means
Yes.
I will choose different one. I want to select this one color. So this color is. You see, in this one, background is little bit different.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
The size is different.
Size is different. If you want to make it same size, you can just see the size 14 and here it 13. You can change the size. It is up to you.
Thank you.
Next we see this is not highlighted, but here in this you see it is highlighted. How to make it? How to make these columns and rows highlight? To do that one, first of all select. Okay, I'll select it by mouse here. Select it, and from here, click here, all borders. You can make it like this. Okay. This you see, this one. Here the pattern, background is little bit different. You cannot do it easily from here. In order to do this one, this type of background, you need to go to here, IT Skills department. First you select this one. Then you go to this arrow. This dialog box will open. In this dialog box you see font, border, fill. Can you see fill?
Yeah.
Go to fill. Here is pattern color. Pattern color, I want red. Pattern color, choose here red. Pattern style, like this.
Dot.
From here you can choose. Like this I want. and click OK. It is same. I will share this file with you. You need to do same thing on your computer. Next, the word computer is here. Computer is here. It is copy paste. Clipboard option. You see, you need to copy and paste. Just select this. I want to copy and paste it here, and cut and paste. Select, and this is option copy. It is copied. Click here, and this is paste. Copy, paste. Then cut and paste. I want to cut this one. Okay. Cut. This scissor is for cut, and I want to paste it here. Paste. Cut and paste. Copy and paste. Next, cut, copy, paste, and cut, paste. Format painter. This format painter is used to apply similar format to various text. For example, if you make this word, if you change this font maybe 18 and its color you make it purple, you make it italic, you want similar format to this, what you will do? Click on format painter, and click on this one. Same thing will be applied, same setting will be applied to this word. That is that. Next you see here SAR 25.00. Here is 25. Okay. You want to write like this. You want to add. See, if you click on this, if you click on SAR 25, this is currency. Just focus on this one, number. It is currency. And if you click on this, it is general. This is a general number and this is a currency. How to change it? Click on this. You select the number which you want to change. Click on that. Go to here. Down arrow. Then you will see like this, it is open. From here, you can choose from here, or you can go directly from here. If you go here, you will see currency is here. In the currency, you will see only dollar is there. Okay? You want to add SAR, Saudi Riyal. What to do? Click on this one. You will see so many currencies are there. In order to go to the particular currency very fast, just press that key on the keyboard. For example, I want Saudi Riyal. So press S on the keyboard, you will reach there. I will press S on the keyboard, you see. Saudi Riyal is there. Is it coming? Can you see?
Yes.
Saudi Riyal. I want to choose this one. Decimal places. You see, here after 25 there are two zero. So it tells you how many decimal places you want after that value. You can change from here. I will put it 3 decimal places, 4, and click OK. You see, like this. If you want to reduce the decimal places, you can either do from here, currency, and you can reduce from here, or same thing you can do from this one. This is decrease decimal. Can you see? If you click on this, increase and decrease. Can you see? See? Increase decimal, decrease decimal. You can do same thing from here. Next, we will come to this. Can you see? This word is Ali al-Ghatani, and here it is like this. Here Muhammad is here, here Muhammad is between. How to do this setting? What is the use? This you can do from the alignment group. Look here. If you click on align, this one, go to alignment group. If you see, if you click on this center, this one, center, it will go in center. This is right align. This is left align. You can do left, right, center. But if you want in middle, See here, click on this middle. This is top align. It will align top, it will align middle and bottom, left, right, center. You can see in this output, it is in center with middle. You want to do that, click here, and this one. Muhammad is in middle align as well as center align. Is it similar?
Yes.
This, can you see this word? This is at a 45 degree. If you want to turn this word as at 45 degree, how to turn? To do that, alignment group provides a new feature, a feature that is this one, orientation. If you click here, this tool is called orientation tool. If you click here and choose any style, I will choose angle clockwise. You see, various it is there, vertical. Okay, click here, rotate. Click here, format cell. I want from our style. Click here and delete this one. Write down, I want 45 degree. Delete and write down 45. You see? Plus 45, not minus 45, just. Okay. You see, it is similar?
Yes.
But here the degree is little bit more, maybe it is 60 degree. You look here, click here, then go to here. You see it is 30 degree. It is 30 degree. If you do this one 30 degree, it will be similar. Click here, this alignment, put it 30 degree. Same.
Can you do it with the format paint?
Yeah. Whatever format is here, you can apply here. Okay. Raw data and output you see. Now you will learn. Now you will go to cell here. This group. Font group, clipboard group, alignment group is completed. In the alignment group, there are some more things you want to learn. I will tell you. You can see. If you select these two, more than one cell if you select, like this, and this one, you see, merge and center, look here, this will be single cell, this is the use, this is a single cell. Now, more than one cell you can mix. Okay. Next we will move to the cells group. This group is Allah. Look here and understand, after some time you will get this Excel sheet to do work. I know you can do it very easily. You see, in the cells group, you will learn insert various things. For example, I will click here, go to insert. Okay, insert cell. If you click, one window will come. In this window you will get insert shift cell right, means this cell you want to shift right, shift cell down, this cell you want to shift down, entire row, entire column, whatever you want to insert. I will do shift cell right. Okay, so see, one more cell it is inserted, one more box will be inserted. If you want to delete that, you can do from here. Click on this one, focus,
Delete.
and click on delete. It will be removed like this. It is already deleted. Okay, insert and delete. You want to insert a row. Click here, insert cells, insert sheet row. One row will come. Insert cell, one more cell will come. You want to delete, just select these two and click here, delete sheet rows. It will be removed. Format Same thing you can do by using right click. Right click here. If you right click on the row, right click here, you will see insert. Once row is inserted, right click here, and you can delete. You can see, right click here and delete. If you click on delete, that particular row will be deleted. Whatever you can do from cell, same thing you can do from right click. You want to insert a column after B. Question is, insert a column after B. What you will do? In this case, go to column C. Go to column C, right click, like this, right click here, and insert. You see, another column is inserted. You want to delete this column. Right click, delete. You can delete that column. Okay? So that's all about the delete cell, insert cells. Delete, insert sheet row, insert sheet column. This over. Change height of this row. You see, this row is this much. You want to change the height. You want to make it big. What to do? Select that row. Select that row and go to cells group. Go to format. Same thing you can do with right click. No problem. Go to format. Here you see row height. Row height. It will give you some number, current height of the row. If you want to make it more, delete and write down another number. I want to delete this one, and number is 20. Just say 25. Click OK. You see the row height is increased. If you want to change the column width, this is the column, its width, you want to make it big. What to do? Click on that column, go to format. Here is column width. Here you will see current width of the column. You see right now it is 8.75. You want different. First of all, you can delete this one. Then I want the column width maybe 12 or 10. Just say 12. You see it is increased. In some cases, what happens, I will explain about this feature. Some cases, if you type any word, for example, if you click here and type any word, you want a keyboard.
Double click.
Yeah. Then click here and write down any word. For example, I type this one, a long word, which is out of this cell. You see, the word is out of the cell. Okay. Word is more than this cell. You want to adjust. You want to adjust this one. What to do? Click inside this. Here you can see the tool is wrap. If you click on this, it will adjust it in one cell. This column will not increase, but it will be adjusted. That is called wrap text. That was completed. Cell also completed. Next you will learn hide this row and unhide the row. Hide and unhide. Just click here, any row. You want to hide, means it must be present, but you cannot see it. Nobody can see it. Whenever you want, you can display. How to do that? Click that and click on format, and then visibility. Can you see this? Visibility?
Yes.
Here is hide and hide. Hide rows. That row will be hidden. You see? Hide this row, I will hide this one, you see? Like this. These two, you can do right click, same thing. Hide. It is hidden. 59, 60, 63. 59, 60, 63. 61, 62 is hidden. You want to bring it back. Select this, right click, unhide. You will see again it will come. Unhide the row. Here it is done sum function. Yes. Now you will learn about this one function to do some addition and all. How to do? I want to add these numbers and get the total here. What to do? Allow. What you will do to get the total of these numbers? Click here, go to this one, auto sum, and choose the range. Means from here to here you have to select it. Using shift and down arrow or by mouse you can select. You see? Like this you can select. Press enter, you will get the total of the number. Okay? One more function is there. I will explain you right now. Some more functions. Here you can see this one, let it come. Average, count, min, max. Average, if you click on average, it will give you the average of the values. Click on average. I want average of these numbers. Choose the range. Choose this range. Press enter. It will give you the average. You want to know the largest number. Click here. Here max.
60. Yes.
Max. Choose here. Computer will give you the largest. If you want to get minimum, go to here. Min. Choose this. Press enter. Minimum number. You want to know from here count. How many numbers are there? 4. Count numbers will tell you how many numbers and values are present. Max function will give you what is the largest number. Min function will give you the smallest number. Sum function will add. Average function will give you the average. Here is 1. Yes.
Can you multiply it?
Yeah, sure. You can multiply. If you want to multiply this and this number, here, what to do? Click here. Write down equal to sign, this one. Equal to this star. This, enter. You will get the multiply. You want to divide. To divide, I want to divide this by this. Equal this, divide by this. This. You want to minus, subtract. Let us see here. This minus this. Equal to E70 minus C68. Enter. So you see it is subtracted. Plus, minus, multiplication and division. You can do it very easily. Here you see, in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 it is inserted. You want to write more numbers automatically. You don't want to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't want to type. You want automatic. How to do that? First of all, select that range. Select like this. Select. Then go to this option. This is called fill. Series. 1, 2, 10. It will give you. See? Insert. Again, if you want to see again, look at here. Select. You can fill like this also. 1, 2, 5 up to 5. Here and go here. Series up to 5 I want. Last value 5. Okay. If you want here to here, but the You want more than up to 8. Up to 8 you do. It will write up to 8. It is up to your choice. This is about, next option is about number format decimal place. This. This number is 45. In this number, you want to add more decimal places. How to do that? Click on this. After that, you can do the decimal place from here. Increase decimal. Like this. Or you can go here directly. Go here. How many decimal places you want? I want more. Select and write down here how many decimal places you want. Choose and write down. I want 5 decimal places. 5. See, 5 decimal places. Then, if any value you want, if you click on this, it will tell you in the form of accounting numbers 20,000. You see, sometimes you write the numbers 20,000, 50,000 and use comma. So you can put it from here. If you want to put some dollar sign, you can click here. From here directly you can put the dollar sign. You see, dollar sign is there. This number is minus 74. You see, here it is general and here you see 74.00. It is custom. Means as per your style you want. What to do? Click here. Go to number here. Go to custom. I want this type. And click OK. You see 0.00 or any format you can put it. You can go to custom and I want minus 74.00000 this format. Click OK. See, it is like this. Here you see, this is the error.
What's for the 0050?
Sometimes, what is difference? Sometimes you, when you are given your exam, you see your exam contains total 45 question and 30 mark. So one question contain how many marks?
45.
45 questions are there and 30 mark. So one question is how much mark?
Half. 0.6 or 0.66.
66666 like this. So when you need more than 2 decimal places, so you, in that case you can do this one. Next is, if you do the mistake to write any formula, computer will give you the error. Look here, I want to insert a function to add this number like this, equal to SUM. Actual function is sum.
Some, yeah.
But if you do the mistake, SU from here to here, press enter. It will give you the mistake. What is the mistake? The correct spelling of the function is not SU, SUM. So if you do the correct, it will give you the correct value. So this is all about the home tab, clipboard font alignment, number, cells. You have finished. Style and editing you will study in next class. Okay? So now I am going to share this sheet with you. You have to do same work on your computer. Yes.